Hey guys, this is John from V8 Hemi Mount Vernon. Are you in need of a sporty vehicle but something practical for the family? Here I have this 22 Dodge Durango RT. I'm going to show you why it's a perfect vehicle for you and your family. Follow me. Alright, so with 3 rows, you have plenty of room for your family and friends, and also have the option to fold the back seats down for plenty of cargo space. Alright, so moving up to the front here, I'm going to show you why this RT is loaded. We have our 8.4 navigation screen. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heating cooled seats as well with the heating steering wheel, wireless charging, and then moving on to the sporting aspect, you have our sport mode, 0 to 60 timer. You also get these paddle shifters. Alright, so moving on to another sporty aspect of this vehicle, we have a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, pushing about 360 horsepower with 390 pounds of torque, and it sounds amazing. Alright guys, so that's our 22 Dodge Durango RT. If you're looking for something sporty and practical, or if you need more information on, give me a call or stop in and discover the Donnelly difference.